Hi, Dr. Brad DeBells with Weedman Lawn Care. I wanted to show you today a fungus called rust that we commonly see growing on our lawns late summer or early fall. This particular fungus is very evident by the orange discolorations that it causes on the leaf blades. If you pick one of these leaf blades off, you can see the orange discoloration on the leaf. You can see with these particular grass blades that orange material or orange fungus will actually wipe off on your clothing. That includes your shoes and your mower if you're out on your lawn. It does not generally cause long-term damage to the turf, but it is something that can be a bit of a nuisance. Commonly, we see this rust fungus on perennial ryegrass and Kentucky bluegrass, generally caused by poor growing conditions, whether that's too much leaf moisture at night due to too much dew, or poor irrigation, or could be from poor mowing practices or not enough nutrition. So by changing any of those factors, we can help limit the amount of disease we see on the lawn. The best way to help get rid of this fungus is to make sure that we're mowing properly, that we add some nutrition, and irrigate in the morning to avoid that overtime leaf wetness.